Yeah, today promised to be a great day with the longest stage of the Cape Epic. But then we really had a small hole in this tire. We fixed it quite fast. We were on the way again. We changed the wheel in the first feed zone. And then we tried to go as fast as possible to get in the front again. But then at one point my crankset came loose, so it was hanging on my CD shoe. So we decided, yeah, what can we do? We need the bolt to fix it, so we can go to the next water point. We can walk back, but it's only 2K to walk back. So we walked back. The mechanics, they handled it really fast. They fixed it really quick. But still, we lost a lot of time. Just before the start, it came loose again, so Rudy had to push me to the finish. But it's just things that happens in the Epic. If you train at home, it's nothing compared to here. So you should do all the stages before to test the equipment to say it's 100% safe, but yeah, it's the Epic and those things just happen. It's a shame, but...